Hi guys, how you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an anti-aging product and also the benefit of using an anti-aging product. Have you ever considered using anti-aging skincare products? Do you know the benefits of using anti-aging products? Well, if you don't know, we are about to get right in. So, using anti-aging products is very important and is one of the best products that you can ever use for your skin. It's very important to use an anti-aging product. Anti-aging or aging cannot be reversed, but it can only be controlled by good eating healthy and also using beautiful skincare products and living your best life. That's just the point. So guys, I've written down the benefits of anti-aging products, and also I have created a good formula for you guys that you can use to create your own anti-aging product. There are a lot of products that you can make adding in anti-aging ingredients to formulate, so it's so important. So now, even if you want to make anti-aging lightening body cream, it's possible. If you want to make anti-aging whitening body cream, it's possible. If you want to make anti-aging whitening serum, it's possible. Okay, so that's just it. So now I'm going to read out the benefits of using anti-aging products. Now, the benefits of an anti-aging products or anti-aging skincare regimen include retaining the skin firmness, retaining the skin tone, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and boosting brightness and radiant skin. Okay, and also your skin accumulate damage from environmental pollution, UV rays, which is sun burn and all of that stuff, UV rays and toxins. A anti-aging regimen can help slow down from fine lines, wrinkles that may occur from those external causes as well as natural aging. So now I'm going to read out some beautiful ingredients that you can add to your formulation, to your body cream and also your face cream. Okay, so now the number one beautiful anti-aging ingredient is retinol. Retinol is very good, very good for anti-aging. And then vitamin C as well is very nice. And then we have hyaluronic acid, one of the best anti-aging ingredients. And then we have niacinamide, we have alpha hydroxy acid, we have ceramide, we have antioxidants like vitamin E. And then we have coenzyme Q10. I don't know if I'm right in pronouncing that well, but I'm going to be writing it on the screen. And then you need retinoid, you need collagen, and you need bakucho or something. Guys, if you are hearing noise from the background, I'm just sorry, I don't know what they are doing. The noise is disturbing so much. So now guys, these are the best anti-aging ingredient that you can include to your skincare products. But there's something you need to know when creating your anti-aging products. You need to do a very good research. When I mean doing research, I mean doing it very well. It's so important because you need to know the kind of ingredients that you can add to your anti-aging products. For example, retinol and vitamin C cannot be used together, so you need to know the product that can complement each other. You don't need to use any other product because you see that, oh, there are so many products that are good for anti-aging products and you need to include everything. No, you need to pick the one that can complement each other, the one that can work best together. For example, vitamin E and vitamin C work perfectly well. Vitamin E and retinol work so well, and including niacinamide, I'm sure. So you need to google all of these things to know the best ingredient that can work best together. Okay, so now there are so many ways you can make anti-aging products. For example, you can make anti-aging whitening serum, anti-aging lightening serum, anti-aging glowing serum. You can make anti-aging moisturizer, you can make anti-aging body cream, you can make anti-aging lightening body lotion, you can make anti-aging body butter, you can make anti-aging toner, you can make anti-aging cleanser. You can make anti-aging bar soap. So there's so many ways you can make anti-aging products. Okay, so you have to pick the one that are convenient for you. Please, if you know that you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and make sure you share. When you're looking out for lightening product, looking out for acne product, looking out for product that can actually improve your skin complexion or give you a radiant skin, anti-aging is one of the best skin care product that you can choose. So now, if you don't want to look, if you don't want to buy all these materials or all these skincare products out there, you can actually formulate your own anti-aging product at the comfort of your home. So now I'm going to be calling out the ingredient that you need in formulating your own anti-aging lightening face serum. Okay, so this is very simple and is so nice. This is an oil based anti-aging serum. You can decide to use water base, you can decide to use glycerin base. Okay, so it depends on the base you want to use, but the oil base is what works best for me. I like using oil base as my anti-aging face serum. I love it, and I love the way it moisturizes my face. So that is why I'm giving out this recipe. This is my full recipe, so for you to know how important this is to me, I just want to give this out because of the love I have for you guys. So now, number one ingredient you need to formulate your anti-aging product is your base. So now you need carrot infused oil. So when you want to make your own carrot infused oil, especially when you know that that product is going to be used for the face, you need to use sunflower oil. Do not use something like coconut oil to infuse your carrot, because it tends to clog the pores. If you are the type that have oily skin like me, you have acne prone skin, please use sunflower oil to infuse your carrot seed oil or your lemon seed oil. You can choose to use lemon, you can use carrot seed. It depends on what best for you, but then you need to use sunflower oil to infuse this. And when infusing, I don't need to go to that, so you can actually watch a lot of videos on how to infuse. And please, if you know that you want to infuse your carrot oil, do not use gas or fire to infuse it. All you need to do is just to scrape your carrot seed, dry it, make sure it's very dry, blend it, or if you don't want to blend it, just leave it the way you grated it and let it be dry. Let the water be totally dry out. Okay, so after that, then you place it to your bottle or your container, and then you pour in your sunflower oil and leave it for like 2 weeks to infuse before you use. Okay, so now we have carrot infused oil as our base. So we are going to be making, like, let's say I would actually put 2,000 grams here. So guys, I'll just be calling out the percentage. So you have to know the quantity you want to make, then you can use the percentage to times your quantity. Then you need carrot infused oil as your base oil, which is 50%. You need olive squalene as another oil that you can use, 25%. Olive squalene is so good for anti-aging. It soothes the skin so well, and whenever you use it, you start feeling this smooth texture. It's so beautiful. Olive squalene is best ever. So you need it as part of your base. You need carrot infused oil 50%. You need olive squalene 25%. You need pomegranate oil as your moisturizer. You need 5.0%. So now for your active ingredients, you need alpha arbutin as your brightener 2%. You need retinol 0.5%. Please do not use more than 0.5%. That's the best usage rate of your retinol. So you need 0.5%. You need seam white powder 5%. You need vitamin E oil as your antioxidant 1%. And then you need your coenzyme Q10. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly. So you need that, as that's an acne active, and it's also good for aging skin. So you need 10%. Okay, you need 10%. Then you need red berry essential oil. You need 0.5%. So now guys, before you start formulating, you need to know the powders that are oil soluble and water soluble. So if you know that most of these powders are oil soluble, you can, if you want to make oil based serum, you can choose you can choose powders that are oil soluble. If you want to make water based, you can choose active ingredient that's water soluble. It's so important so they can um, dissolve very well. Okay, so like sim white is water, is oil soluble, so it's a lightening ingredient, so you need that. Niacinamide is actually water soluble. Alpha arbutin is water soluble, so I will advise to choose retinol, sim white, vitamin E, and coenzyme Q10 as your active ingredient. So just do more research about these things, okay, and you will have a very perfect, in fact professional anti-aging serum. So if you want me to do to give you guys recipe of an anti-aging body lotion or anti-aging face cream, please do leave a comment down below and I will probably consider it, or you just get it from me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you guys in my next video. I love you guys as always. Bye.